In this video, we're going to show you how to explode a block without losing attributes in AutoCAD. Blocks are extremely useful for organizing repetitive objects and keeping drawings clean and efficient. Many blocks also contain attributes, which are pieces of information, such as part numbers, labels, room names, equipment tags, or other important data. However, when you explode a block using the standard explode command, you may find that the attributes disappear or no longer behave the way you expect. This can be frustrating, especially if the attribute data is important to your project. The good news is that AutoCAD provides a simple way to preserve attribute values when working with blocks, and in most cases, you only need a couple of quick steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to explode a block while keeping its attribute information available and avoiding unnecessary rework. So let's get started. The first method is to use the burst command. Type burst into the command line and press enter. Next, select the block you want to explode and press enter again. The burst command breaks the block apart while converting attribute values into regular text objects. This allows you to keep the visible attribute information even after the block has been exploded. For most users, this is the easiest and most effective solution. If the burst command is not available, make sure the Express tools are installed and enabled in your version of AutoCAD. Another quick tip is to create a backup copy of the drawing before exploding important blocks. This gives you a safe version to return to if you need the original block structure later. Once the block has been exploded, you can select the resulting objects and confirm that the attribute information is still visible as text in the drawing. In most situations, that's all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, use the burst command instead of the standard explode command. Second, select the block and allow AutoCAD to convert the attribute values to text while breaking apart the block geometry. And third, consider saving a backup copy of the drawing before making major changes to important blocks. Remember that the standard explode command may remove or alter attribute behavior, while burst is specifically designed to preserve the information displayed by those attributes. This makes it a valuable tool whenever you're working with title blocks, equipment schedules, symbols, tags, or any other block that contains important attribute data. Taking a few extra seconds to use the correct command can save a lot of time and help prevent the loss of valuable information later in the project. And that's how to explode a block without losing attributes in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.